Alright, we're gonna make this paper airplane right here. Goes really good, I would say. Not compared to world record winning ones, but it's really good. Has to have big wings though. You have to make sure the wings are pretty big compared to this, because this gets pretty heavy up there and compact. Lots of paper compacted in a little space, so it is a square, cubish shape to it too. Like, it's not too rounded or triangular. Alright. Fold the paper in half. Dirt all over the place. Alright, then you want to take this side down to the bottom. Down like that. Copy on the other side. And then make this side go to the bottom again. Copy on the other side. Alright. What you do now is you take this top to the bottom, top point to the bottom. Quit getting up on here every time. And then right here you see where, here, I'll bring it up closer, like you see where this fold right here meets this. You're gonna want to mark that spot with your fingernail on both sides and fold it there, up, and then fold the rest back down, like fold the tip from right there, like there's the tip, and from right there you fold it back down. Flatten every fold out, and then fold in half from there. Line the back corner and the front corner up, the wings and everything. Flatten everything out again. Alright, now this part gets a little bit tricky to master, because you have to know in your mind what kind of fold's right. Like right here, like how far to fold and stuff. Right here, I got this, and see I folded it down that far? That's the fold that works best, but there's no real way to measure it. Like there's no real way to measure it except when you fold it down and you measure this, the size below it will be the same. Like you see that? The size below will be the same. So just follow that. Just fold the wings like that. It should be like that, okay? So you just really want to make it. And the angle, it has to be pointing up, like diagonal ways, but slightly. It can't be flat and it can't be too high. Like it can't be straight or it can't be too high. It has to be like that, about. Yeah, that part right there is it's tough to fold because it's so much paper in a little spot. Now fold the other side. Make sure to make it really symmetrical with the other side. Yeah. Alright. There. Now with this part right there, that's really compact. I usually press that down with my teeth just to make it better. And there. Now this plane goes best inside. It'll work outside when on not windy days. Just like most of the airplanes. Some of the airplanes that work, like the space shuttle, I think it is, that'll work outside in windy conditions, but you have to throw it with the wind. So I hope you enjoyed making this paper airplane with me, and good flights.